What's up? What's up? What's up, honey? It's your girl, Miss G. She's back with another video. Yes, she is. And this chick did not cook today. But that doesn't mean she ain't having something good. Because she having something good, honey child. She got her some spring rolls. I went to the commissary today. I sure did. I'm having sushis. I am. My whole family is. I cut me up a pepper, some cucumber. I have my onions and pepper mix here. I have some sauce here, and I put some cayenne pepper in it. I did. And I have me about 4 cloves of garlic. You know, I'm trying to do that garlic thing, honey child. So now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get alert every time. Ding, ding. This girl drop a video, honey. I don't want to miss you, and I don't want you to miss me. And if you're visiting me again, I thank God for Jesus for you. Thank you for the visit. Thank you for the support. And thank you for the thumbs up. And thank you for the comments. And can I just say, I went down the street today to the Walmart. And I saw this lady in the Walmart, honey child. And she told me, she said, I had a mask on too. And she said, are you the one that do the YouTube? And I said, yeah. She said, my grandson love you. I said, really? She said, he only 7. Hey, grandson Larry, what's up? How you doing, boo? And thank you for supporting me and watching me. And got your grandma watching me too, honey. She said she watching because her grandson love it. She said, I said to him, you like that? He said, yes, I like what she eating. Thank you, boo, for the support. And thank you, grandma, because I did not catch her name, for watching me also too. But kudos to you, Larry, for being a fan. I love it. So now, I'm ready to get down with the get down. Y'all know I got y'all some flowers. I went outside and picked them today. You know what I just realized today? Their rose bush is pink, and mine is red. And he cut it up so bad, honey child. Woo, the flowers are scarce. Lord, let's just pray, 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 pray. But I told you I got me some cucumbers here. I'm going to start off with a cucumber again. Let's dip it in here. Cucumber, first bite. Because you know that's sweet. I love these things here. I even washed off these little green things and put it between it so it didn't stick. Because you know these are stick. Y'all see that gooiness? You see that gooiness? You see I'm going straight to my box. Straight up, Geraldine. Ta-da! Voila! You see? First bite. That's good. I put that cayenne pepper in there, but I mean, my mouth hot now. But I think it's because of this pepper here, though. But y'all know I gotta try and get my garlic in. So I got this pepper again because yesterday, a little spoon. Yesterday it tasted good with this. So I gotta try and get it in, honey. These peppers and onions are good. Here go my garlic. That's some kind of good flour. She's good. Now y'all know I only have to eat 2 of them garlic, even though I think I put 4 here. Wow, something spicy. Yes, I put 4 there. Here go another garlic. Can I tell you, these peppers are good. I got them down at the Walmart, at the neighborhood Walmart. They come in a bag. They taste great. Cucumber. I got the owl today. Ooh, my mouth is hot. These sushi, I put the little pepper on it. Okay, please, please do right. Oh my God, it's falling apart. Let's go for the one back. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's the salt for the cucumber, and the fan is blowing right here, and it's blowing right up on me. But I'm messing up my sushi. I'm messing up my sushi, y'all. Oh my God. Here it is. Put a little bit on the top. I got it now. Here we go. Let me see. I got it. That's my pepper. I hope y'all day been good. My day's been good. The sun is shining out really good now. But my day is good. Thank God it's the end of the week. Here we go. They have this fake crab in them, but it's still good. No. And the shrimp on top. But I like them. They light. Toasty. Cucumber. So, I'm gonna go yard sale tomorrow. Yes, I am, because I went last week, and I found it in an estate sale last week. I got me a nice, two nice pocketbooks, two real old pocketbooks too, but they still nice. So, and I had went to, in that same neighborhood, a young lady from Africa had a yard sale, and said she's supposed to have another. She had some really nice scarves. Oh my God, they were so nice and gorgeous. And I could not believe she was in her 50s. We were debating about who was older. She looked so young. Honestly, she looked like she was in her 30s. Okay, so I'm gonna try another garlic. Here we go. That's what's up. That one fell apart. Y'all see it? Oh my God. I did him justice. He's gone. Woo! Not like some good old cold water. That water's good too. I needed it. Yeah, I know my mouth was flaming a little bit, honey child. Yes, it was. A little hot. So I cleaned up the garage a little bit this week here because I went to the Salvation Army, I think it is. It's like a thrift store. I went in there to look for some jerseys. Wound up ordering one off of Amazon. But I got this nice white bench. It's like broken up white, you know. Excuse me, I got a belt. Sorry. I really think it's worn. So the paint chipped in spots, which comes through with a little blackness. So I really like it. It's the cushion. I have to repost the cushion because I don't like the pattern on the cushion, but it came with a matching lamp. So part of me wants to find one solid color in there to keep the lamp. I have no idea where I'm going to put it, but it was only $8, and I'm talking about real wood. Even when you lift one in, it's real heavy. Even though I want to say it's about, it could be about 4 feet long, but it takes 2 people to lift it still. One person couldn't pick it up and, you know, carry it where you're going. That's how heavy it is. So as soon as I felt it, I was like, ooh, I'm definitely going to get this. First I was going to like stand it down and paint it, but the more I look at it when I'm in the garage, the more I like the cracked up white. But I just need to, excuse me. Thank God for Jesus. I just need to, the sun just went down. I just need to fix that part. But oh, it's so gorgeous. So yeah, it's gonna be busy. I don't know, like I said, where I'm gonna put it. I've been thinking in my head the whole time where I'm gonna put it. A part of me wants to put it outside, but it's really too nice to be outside on my porch, because I have a nice one, a nice bench I had got years ago from a yard sale. Almost look like a church pew, you know, in the church. I got it from a yard sale years ago for $8, and I kept that in the original cracked up. It's all dented up and stuff, but it looks so cute. You know, you had put those nice pillows on the side of it, and it looks really nice on my porch. So you know how that is. And I think that's why I like going out, because a lot of stuff you can find that people get rid of, it's really good stuff, because today's stuff is not made the same, if I'm being honest with you. Well, you know, I tried to use my chopsticks, y'all. It just didn't work for me today. What can I say? But good, they never fail you. I just now bit my front lip. You come on. I had put my little ginger on the top of them too. They fall apart. I don't know. When I watch people eat them, they'll say that they used to be so much smaller and they didn't used to fall apart so easy. But I'll tell you now, they fall apart, they crumble. That's how they do their rice, y'all. I'm gonna learn how to do their rice, because they be kneading that rice up and putting that gravy up in it, honey child. They be getting down. I'm gonna learn how to do it too. It's good. So good. Well, I might as well eat my last. It's not even the. Okay, wait. Last garlic. So that's 4 for me today. If that wouldn't have come with 3 rolls, I could have finished my food today, right? Oh, I'm over. Y'all know exactly what time it is. It's time to turn the lights out in here, boo. Deuces. Peace. This girl has gotta go.